Most investors are still fighting over the same apartments and office buildings, while the real opportunities are quietly floating on the water. Traditional real estate investments often come with high barriers to entry and limited liquidity. In this video, I'll show you why tokenized yachts through YachtFi can be a smarter, more exciting alternative to traditional real estate, offering unique advantages in a growing luxury market. So, what exactly is YachtFi? It's an innovative real-world asset project that tokenizes luxury yachts, merging high-value assets with cutting-edge blockchain technology. Instead of buying an entire yacht for millions, you can buy digital shares, known as tokens, that represent real ownership in a yacht. These tokens grant you a right to a share of its charter income, making luxury yacht ownership accessible to a broader range of investors. Our first structure is designed around a real yacht divided into 12,350,765 tokens, each with a nominal value of 1 USDT. This fractional ownership significantly lowers the barrier to entry. Every token represents a tiny fraction of ownership and a claim on real profits from charter operations, providing a passive income stream. All of this is recorded on the blockchain, ensuring every token, every payout, and every buyback is transparent and verifiable. This blockchain integration provides unparalleled security and trust, a stark contrast to the often opaque nature of traditional asset management. YachtFi tokens also offer greater liquidity through secondary market trading, a significant advantage over the illiquid nature of direct yacht ownership. Beyond income, well-maintained yachts can appreciate in value, offering potential for capital gains, and fractional ownership can even provide tax advantages. Now let's talk about the fundamentals. Why yachts? The global yacht charter market is not a niche hobby anymore. It's a robust, multi-billion-dollar industry. Different reports estimate that it's already worth several billion dollars and is projected to grow at around 6 to 8% per year in the coming decade. This growth is driven by increasing demand for luxury charters, rising disposable incomes, and government support for marine tourism. Luxury charters are fueled by a simple reality. There are only a limited number of quality yachts, and the number of people who want to book them keeps increasing. Especially in prime locations like the Mediterranean and Caribbean, demand consistently outstrips supply, creating a highly lucrative market. Well-operated yachts can generate hundreds of thousands of euros per year in charter revenue, providing substantial returns for investors. In some cases, over 1 million euros in a single season when you look at high-demand vessels in prime locations, showcasing the immense earning potential. YachtFi offers a unique opportunity to diversify your portfolio into a thriving luxury market, leveraging blockchain for transparency and accessibility. Explore the future of investment with YachtFi. Visit our website today to learn more about how you can own, earn, and sail with us. Now let's compare that to traditional real estate. In many markets, property prices have climbed so high that entry tickets are enormous, while average rental yields in big cities sit around 3 to 6% per year. Often these yields are just enough to keep up with inflation and maintenance costs. Real estate is also slow and illiquid. Selling a property takes time, paperwork, and often discounts. With tokenized yachts, you're targeting a market where supply is limited and demand for luxury experiences is growing. The income comes from premium charter clients, not from under-pressure tenants. Here is how the YachtFi structure is designed from an investor's perspective. First, a luxury yacht, for example, valued around 10,648,680 euros, is divided into 12,348,209,000 tokens at 1 USDT each. This creates a fixed supply with no inflation. Second, the yacht is operated in the charter market by a professional partner. The goal is to generate around 1,080,000 euros per year in charter revenue in the base plan, with significantly more for larger premium yachts. Third, net income is converted into USDT and distributed automatically via smart contracts to all token holders, pro rata to their holdings. These payouts typically occur monthly during the charter season. Fourth, After roughly 3 years, the yacht is sold, and the net sale proceeds are again distributed to token holders in USDT. This distribution occurs via an on-chain buyback and burn of the tokens. So, as an investor, you have two potential sources of return: ongoing charter income and the final sale of the yacht. YachtFi offers accessibility, liquidity, transparency, efficiency, and diversification. However, it's crucial to consider market, operational, regulatory, and security risks, alongside the need for comprehensive insurance. YachtFi is part of the growing real-world asset tokenization trend, with the RWA market projected to reach over $10.9 trillion by 2030. Companies like YachtFi, Quantum Luxury Yacht Ownership, Cloud Yachts, and Salient Yachts are already active in yacht tokenization. In conclusion, YachtFi provides an accessible, liquid, and transparent way to invest in luxury assets, starting from $1 but thorough due diligence is essential. Only the yacht fee is using over 20 years of experience in yachting industry. Tokenized real-world assets are one of the biggest trends in digital finance right now. Institutions from BlackRock to major banks are exploring tokenization of bonds, real estate, and funds. But when it comes specifically to tokenized yachts, this is still a very early niche space. There are only a handful of projects worldwide experimenting with this model. A few platforms linking tokenization with single superyacht projects or small fleets. That means two things. First, the field is very new and innovative. Second, there is relatively low competition compared to crowded property markets. YachtFi isn't about buying a toy. It's about accessing a real business model, charter income from a real yacht, in a modern tokenized way. It's for people who want exposure to luxury assets without needing millions, like the idea of passive income. And understand that early, carefully chosen real-world asset projects can offer unique opportunities, but also come with risks, like any investment. If you'd like to dive deeper, the next video on this channel is a step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to invest through YachtFi.io, even if you've never touched crypto before. Until then, own, earn, sail.